The Meghalaya State Planning Board, MSPB, has taken an active step in addressing the growing issue of traffic congestion across Shillong city. In its first meeting today, MSPB Chairman Metbah Lygdoh stated that the board will offer suggestions to the state government after consultations with all concerned departments, including Urban Affairs, Public Works Department or PWD, Transport and Home Police. The chairman emphasized that the board is keen to find practical solutions to the traffic snarls plaguing the capital. Another meeting, tentatively scheduled for next week, will finalize the board's recommendations.
So we understand the hurdles and issues that all these departments are facing when it comes to implementation of different suggestions that are projects, and it is really a very, very difficult for all the matters that all the suggestions to be taken as far as the traffic congestion solution. But nevertheless, we are here as a board. We will be hearing from each and every department, and our job is basically to place before the government the suggestions that we have after hearing from all the concerned departments. Today we have heard and we have seen the presentation from different departments, and we will continue in the days to come, and very soon, maybe after 1 week or so, we will again have this round of board meeting, which will be taken up. And as I've said, that the role of the planning board is basically to recommend, to suggest the government about the steps that the government should take in order to find out the solutions to all the line departments, be it beauty, be it home, be it PHE, be it education, and so on. So we have started with these 4 departments, so we will continue with this. We have not come to any conclusion as far as today's meeting is concerned, but we have seen, and we will be hearing more from other line departments, and we will suggest. And after we prepare a comprehensive recommendations.
In an important revelation, the MSPB also highlighted the shortage of traffic personnel in Shillong. Currently, there are 150 traffic constables apart from 400 Home Guard constables managing traffic across 7 police stations. The Planning Board has urged upon the police department to increase traffic personnel as an immediate step to elevate the pressure. The police department has assured that it will take steps to improve the situation, especially concerning violations.
Whatever manpower that they have been assigned as far as traffic constables are concerned, they have only 150 assigned constables for the entire, all the 7 police stations, and that was the strength of, at that point of time, when they had only 2 or 3 police stations. So that is the immediate solution which we will recommend to the government, to immediately place before the Home Department more constables to be available on the ground. Because as of now only 100, and they are having almost 400 Home Guards. So the Home Guards, we can't expect too much from them. It's the job of the police department. And the Home Department also, they said that they have been working on it, that they'll be placing this immediately. To regulate those who are driving, those who are violating the traffic rules and so on.
On the broader issue of Shillong's overall traffic congestion, Lygdoh attributed part of the problem to the city's unplanned growth. He mentioned that in 2018, he had submitted a proposal for the development of New Shillong, which has now been executed. This, he said, could relieve some pressure from Shillong's overcrowded roads. Additionally, Metbah Lygdoh praised the Urban Affairs Department for introducing the STEM scheme, which involves using school buses to transport students. This initiative has already contributed to easing traffic congestion during school hours.
No doubt about it. That's why 2018 I had suggested the Honorable Chief Minister that it's high time that government should move out of Shillong and make a planned new city there. So government has done it and they are moving in that direction. But how do we do now as far as Shillong is concerned? That is where we are, and we will try to do the best to ensure.